Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पोन्ने गोंय येवपी प्रकल्पाची फायल ओल्ड गोवा पंचायतीक पावली. सब्जेक्टात प्रकल्पाचें नाव हेरिटेज इंटरप्रिटेशन सेंटर आणि पार्किंग एरिया आशिल्ल्याचे एक्टिंग सरपंच सांगता. पंचायत मंडळाची बसका जाली. जॉईंट इन्स्पेक्शन करून उपरांत फुडलो निर्णय म्हूण सरपंचान स्पश्ट केला.
आता फायल आमकां इनवर्ड जाल्ली आसा. ओके, टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान ऑन 25th ऑफ दीस मंथ. ओके, 25th March 2025. सो आतां ते आमी स्टडी करताले. आज आमी मिटिंगेक प्रोड्यूस केली. आज आमची बॉडी मिटींग आशिल्ली पंचायतीन. सो आमी थोडे डिसिजन्स घेतला फायली बद्दल. ओके, सो आमकां एज टुरिजम ऑनरेबल टुरिजम मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटेन म्हटलां की the project will be on hold till he gets some permission, all the permissions from ASI and church authorities. So what we are going to do from Panchayat is that we are going to send an inspection to call for an inspection with ASI, tourism, TCP and NMA. So we will also like to be present, and then once it has been reports whatever is there from ASI, we will also ask for the same. And then we will place it in Gram Sabha in the next row, and then we'll take people's suggestion, and then we'll see how to proceed with this further. Now we have found cannonballs when they started doing the work, okay, which people were unaware of, even church authorities were unaware of. But now we have found, so ASI and NMA will have to take some strict action regarding this. Subject are clearly बरयल्ले आसा interpretation center and parking area. Lower ground floor and ground floor. Okay. Total area mention केला 14,000 square meter. Total area.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.